Hello again.
Also?
Hello again. Nein.
Okay.
No, I mean, yeah. I am Min.
I'm Tina.
And together we are...
TiMin.
Yes, so... This is our second reaction video. And this time we are going to watch Donghae and Eunhyuk's motorcycle.
Okay.
And I think it's gonna be amazing. Because I love EunHae. Yeah. Let's go!
Bum.
Ah!
Okay.
I've already seen the preview.
Right?
Oh my gosh! The dance is perfect.
Yeah.
Girl. Slow motion wink. This move is totally cool.
Oh yeah.
Looks like a motorcycle.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's so perfect.
She won.
Oh
my gosh.
Uh-huh. Oh, get off!
Ooh.
The fans!
Get up.
That is a bike for kids. Why? Nope. Police woman. Really? She won! What even?
Oh, cute.
That face!
Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
That was too funny.
Yeah. She won.
Couldn't
she
get
won.
any funnier.
Oh,
The wigs. The wigs were perfect.
pretty.
So pretty.
Absolutely.
Oh, but the little bikes for kids. They were cute.
Yes, really.
But a little stupid as well. But that's right me. I can't get over this. It was perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Yeah.
Eunhyuk.
Donghae.
But the girls. Okay, I need to discuss about the girls.
They were hot. Sorry. yeah.
I'm not saying that they're ugly or something, but get off my man. No, I'm joking. It was
Really?
good. It was good. Yes, I'm joking.
Yeah.
Shut up. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this one. And we'll see you next time. Ding.